Not every one of you, mashallah, all these good-looking boys and girls from the colleges, smart, well-dressed, not every one of you loves the same subjects. Am I right or wrong? Why? That goes to show that diversity is part of the plan of Allah. Had it not been for that, it would have been so boring on earth. All of you, mathematics, you got 99% or 100%. Who was first? They say they were tie. Who was tie? The whole class. Well, then it was boring, right? So boring. But there are some who excel, some who love it, some who don't really take to mathematics. They love physics, some biology, some perhaps some other ology, subhanallah. May Allah grant us ease. Yesterday I said a little joke, that's why I remember it now. Should I say it? When I said some other ology, they say there was a young man who used to take people from one island to the other on a boat. He was not educated as such, but he was earning a living. And as he got a group of professors onto his boat, they began to mock at him. And the moral of the story is, I can tell it to you before I even complete the story, do not mock at people. Don't mock at them, no matter who, what, where, why, and how. Don't mock. Mocking is not a good thing. Appreciate the diversity. Some are different. So they got onto the boat and they started saying, have you been to school? He said, no. Do you know biology? He said, no. He said, you wasted your life. Haven't even been to school. Do you know sociology? No. Do you know geology? No. Do you know psychology? No. And they started laughing and mocking at him and so on. A little while later, the boat began to rock. Why? Because of the tide, as you see nowadays, mashallah. And the waves were huge. And as the boat is rocking, this young man throws at them a few of these life vests. And he says, guys, we have to be ready to jump in perhaps if there is any emergency. So just put these things on. They looked at him worried. They were scared. Moments ago, they told him you had wasted your life. So they said, what do you want us to do? He says, do you know swimology? They said, no. He said, you wasted your life. There goes. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us ease. So all these ologies. Anyway, let's get back to what we were saying, right? It was a good diversion. The reality is, Allah has created this diversity, but together with that, you will only be able to achieve if you have within you quickly developed a sense of responsibility. Why do I say quickly developed a sense of responsibility? When you are teenage, when you are adolescent, when you are young, your boat is rocking, my beloved children. You don't know, your emotions are everywhere. Your inclinations are all over the show. Your mind is fresh. You'd like to take and you don't know what to take. The glamorous nightlife might overtake some. May Allah protect us. The sooner you realize, hey, I need to be responsible. I can't carry on this way here. The sooner you will be able to succeed.